So you've set your sights on a mysterious goth beauty. Don't panic, and put down the fake fangs. To win her heart, try to meet her where the scene actually gathers. Local Gothic coffee parlors, alternative thrift stores, indie music shops, or Gothic dance clubs like Death Guild. Then, do your homework so you actually have something to talk about. Dive into some Gothic literature classics like Mary Shelley's Frankenstein or Bram Stoker's Dracula, or spin some haunting tunes by The Cure or Bauhaus, since music is at the foundation of goth culture. However, you don't need to force a sudden Dark Lord persona or pretend to love existential philosophy and tarot cards if that's not genuinely you. The Gothic personality is deeply rooted in a strong sense of individualism, meaning Goths appreciate authenticity. When you strike up a conversation, ask about her specific interest and keep an open mind. She likely enjoys plenty of activities that aren't considered stereotypically goth, so try not to assume she spends all her time in a crypt. As always, wear deodorant, be respectful, keep the conversation fun, and you might just win her dark, beautiful heart.